Hi everyone, Dr. Maya here. In this session, I will tell you the answers of your questions. What are the signs and symptoms of early pregnancy? After conception, the blastocyst or embryo will implant in the endometrium, which is the lining of the uterus, causing cramping, which is the lower abdominal pain or the pain in the pelvic area. The implantation of embryo can cause spotting. Spotting is defined by the blood present only when wiping. The color of each episode may be pink, red or brown, but mostly it will be pink. It may be associated with pain. Implantation bleeding is likely to last less than 3 days and does not require treatment. Once implantation is complete, your body will begin producing human chorionic gonadotropins, mean beta-HCG, that helps the body to maintain the pregnancy and will tell the ovaries to stop releasing mature eggs. So you will miss your next period. So missed period is the most important sign of early pregnancy. If you have irregular period, you have to take a pregnancy test to confirm. Once you will miss your period, take a pregnancy test to see if you are pregnant or not. Fatigue and tiredness is the most common early pregnancy symptom. Due to the rising hormones, especially the progesterone, will make you feel sleepy. The early weeks of pregnancy can make you feel exhausted, so make an effort to get enough sleep. But remember, you must check your hemoglobin level, because low level of hemoglobin can also cause tiredness and fatigue. Nausea and vomiting are very common symptoms during early pregnancy. Nausea is also called the morning sickness, but it can occur any time during the day or night. It's unclear exactly that what causes nausea and vomiting, but the hormones may play a role. It usually develops around 4 to 6 weeks of gestation. It may become more intense towards the end of first trimester, but often become less severe as you enter the second trimester. So stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Bloating may also occur during early pregnancy. This may be due to hormonal changes, especially the rising progesterone, which can also slow down your digestive system and you may feel constipated. Your estrogen and progesterone levels will be high during pregnancy. That can make you more emotional and reactive than usual. Mood swings are common during pregnancy and may cause feelings of depression, anxiety, irritability, and even euphoria. Backache. It is very common to get backache during pregnancy. Due to rising hormones, the ligaments in your body naturally become softer and stretch to prepare you for labor. This can put a strain on joints of your lower back and pelvis, which can cause back pain. Heartburn. Hormones can cause the valve between your stomach and esophagus to relax. This allows the stomach acid to flush back into your esophagus or the food canal, causing heartburn. The heartburn increases with increasing gestation. Acne. During the pregnancy, there is an increased blood volume and higher hormone levels that pushes the more blood through vessels. This causes the body's oil glands to work more. The increased activity of your body's oil glands gives your skin a flushed, glossy appearance. You may also develop acne. Frequent urination. During the pregnancy, there is an increased amount of blood volume, so the heart will pump more blood towards the kidney. This causes the kidney to process more fluid than usual, which leads to the frequent urination. Also, the growing uterus can also irritate the bladder, causing the frequent urination. So drink plenty of water. Food aversions and craving. Food aversions and cravings usually start to emerge at the end of first trimester, peak and intensify during the second trimester, and then typically begin to subside. So don't worry. Sore breast or breast pain is one of the most common Symptoms of early pregnancy usually occurs 1 to 2 weeks after conception because your body is flooding with hormones. So kindly tell me that out of these 13 symptoms, how many you have experienced during your early pregnancy? For more questions, kindly ask in the comment box. Like my video if you liked it and share it for public awareness and subscribe my channel. Thanks.